Hi everyone, in this video I want to give you an update what I was working on in July and what we'll be working on in August. So right now on my screen you can see those Niagara trails, and this is just a short tutorial available on Gumroad right now. It's free, you can just head to Gumroad and start watching it today. The idea behind it is that I want to showcase my teaching style and to give an intro to Trails in Niagara and also Substance Designer, because all those textures we've built in Substance Designer as well. So people can just go to Gumroad and learn a little bit more about Substance Designer, Niagara, and just materials building in Unreal Engine. So that is just for free. In tier 1, I start working on this lightning arrow skill. This is what I've got so far. I think in part 1 we're just gonna build a foundation that we're gonna use a bunch of those elements and build a charged attack in August. But essentially this is all I've got so far. There'll be obviously a cast for that spell, and I think the charge attack will be much bigger. There's a bunch of stuff to do to finish it off, like collision building, impact, and cast. So hopefully in August I get to finish this, and it should be published in either end of August or early September. Now let's have a look at tier 2. In the previous month we've been playing with Embergen, trying to create a fire simulation, and this month we bringing our flipbooks both for decals on the ground and also for the fire itself into Unreal Engine. We've built a material for the decals and for the fire itself, and also we diving into Niagara, where we build one system for the fire with a bunch of user parameters, as you can see here, that we can tweak and create slightly different looking fires out of one Niagara system. So I hope you're going to enjoy all the content in July, and in August we're going to try to raise the bar and add more content to tier 2 as well. All right, thank you so much for watching.